The Great Spotted Woodpecker is a medium-sized woodpecker, easily recognized by its striking black and white plumage, with a bright red patch under the tail. It inhabits woodlands, parks, and gardens, and is well known for its drumming behavior, pecking rapidly on tree trunks to find insects or to create nest holes. Its call is sharp, and the drumming sound is a key way to identify it in the wild. The Great Spotted Woodpecker is native to a wide range across Europe and northern Asia,